Most people see these satisfying wood carving videos and just keep scrolling. But what if I told you this content could become your next income stream? Open ChatGPT and enter the prompt, "Give me 10 car names with their models in list form." Copy this prompt and open Flow AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt field. From the list ChatGPT provides, copy one of the car names and model. In the prompt, locate the section labeled Vehicle and replace it with the car name you copied. Configure the video settings. For short-form videos, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select the OmniFlash model. Save your settings and click the arrow button to start generating the video. Flow AI will first generate a set of images representing all the scenes described in your prompt. These images serve as visual references to guide the AI in generating the final video. Review the generated images. If you're satisfied with the visuals, click Approve. Flow AI will then use those approved images to generate the final video. Once one video is complete, simply go back to the list of vehicles generated by ChatGPT and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. You can even ask ChatGPT to generate a larger list, such as 20 or 30 vehicle ideas, to create more content. You're not limited to cars either. You can create videos featuring buses, trucks, motorcycles, construction vehicles, or any other type of vehicle. For this example, I'm generating the second video using a yellow Toyota Corolla. Flow AI will first generate the visual storyboard based on the prompt. After reviewing the visuals, click Approve, and it will generate the final video. As you can see, the second video also turned out really well. It includes detailed visuals, realistic wood carving effects, immersive ASMR sound effects, and a polished final result. That's how you can create engaging wood carving ASMR videos using ChatGPT and Flow AI. You can also continue improving the prompt to achieve even better and more realistic results. Want the exact AI prompt? Subscribe now and comment prompt and I'll send it your way. And don't forget to turn on notifications because I'll be sharing new viral niches and AI content ideas before they get crowded. You can use the same workflow for houses, buildings, furniture, cultural designs, and many other objects. Just customize the prompt,